Hello, this is TTF Factory explaining how to install the Trojan T105 battery with the EUT terminal. Normally your battery cable is fixed like this, but with the new terminal this is not possible. Changing the cable to this type will offer you the possibility to connect it like that. To bend the terminal you need some tools, pliers, just a little bit of plastic, some sanding paper and a vise. You can clamp in the cable in the vise. You need to do it in the right direction, and you have to make sure that the surface is really smooth so it doesn't leave any marks on the terminal. So put it in like so. Make sure it's tight and put a little bit of plastic for protection and grab the pliers right at the beginning of the terminal and just turn it 90 degrees. You have to make sure that the top surface is really straight, so you should even it out by putting it back in the vise, just applying some force, so you have a smooth surface, a straight surface. And the last bit is you have to clean it up because there are some debris on it, some blue terminal protector, just to get a smooth surface. Okay, while bending I wasn't too careful. I kind of fucked up the terminal protection. So I'm gonna just cover it with a new piece of crimp. Okay, so that's nice and protected, but if you don't have this material you can just use some tape. I'll show it on the other side. Just get your regular electrical tape and just wind it around the cable. And there you're done. It's protected. To connect the cable to the terminal, you need to replace this cover with this one. It's essentially the same. You just need to cut the top part off. And to put on the terminal, you have to make sure that it's really well the squared bolt. You need a 30mm key to put on the square nut bolt, sorry, and a torque wrench which is set to 12 Newton meters, and just fix the nut. Now it's fixed. Of course you need some terminal protection spray to finish. Put the rubber cap over it, like so. So if you've changed to the EUT terminal, your layout of your battery pack changes a little bit. I'll show you how. Use the strap to change this battery. This is the front of the vehicle. And put it back. Ready?
Yeah.
To go from this one to that one, we will be using our standard cable, so no bending is needed, and we'll go on like so. Okay, I added this one because it didn't fit. Now it does. And this is the result. We've got 6 straight cables and 5 bent cables.